Okay, so now I'm going to do comparing fractions part 2. So we can see here our question is 12 over 26 greater than or less than 1/2? So this is very similar to our other problems in which we had to figure out which one was bigger. So in order to figure out which fraction is bigger, we need to find the common denominator. So I'm going to start by writing out 12 over 26 and 1 over 2. So now I need to get a common denominator, which the denominator again is the bottom number, and the bottom number needs to be the same. So the first approach that I can use is starting with the smaller number and seeing if there's anything I can multiply by to get the larger number, 26. So for this, sometimes it's a bit of trial and error. So I'm going to think of, can I think of 2 times something that'll get me close to 26? Well, I can start with 2 times 10, which equals 20, and I need to keep going. So 2 times 11 is 22. That's the double rule. And then I still need to keep going because I'm not at 26. So I'll try 2 times 12, which is 24. I can keep going because I'm not at 26. And then I'll try 2 times 13. So this might be one we don't know off the top of our head, so we can write it here on the side. So 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, so 2 times 13 equals 26, and oh, look at that. That's what we were looking for. So I need to multiply by 13 over 13. So 2 times 13 is 26, and 1 times 13 is 13. So now we have a common denominator between our 2 fractions, and all we have to do is now look at and see which numerator is bigger. So 13 is bigger than 12, so 1/2 is bigger than 12 over 26. So our original question was, is 12 over 26 greater or other, you can read this as bigger. Is it bigger than or less than 1/2? So we saw here it is less than 1/2. So I'm going to write 12 over 26 is less than 1/2. Now there's another part to our question. It says here that we need to explain how do you decide your answer for the question above. So how did I decide that? Well, what did I do here? First, I found a common denominator. So first I found a common denominator. And then the next thing I did was compare the numerators. Then I compared the numerators to see which one was bigger. Okay, and so that is it for that question.